In this video, I will explain the current presets that exist, describe how to use presets, and explain how to add your own. Presets can be found at the bottom of the main M file. The following presets are coded into the program as of version 3.0. As I describe each preset, I will show a picture of the overhead view of their thermal conductivities. The time machine preset is coded with two studs in the time machine format that we use in the lab. It has a small plate in the region between the foam and the wall. The generic extended preset has a stud in the center of the wall. It is a simple wall that has a foam square extended to the entire length of the wall vertically when this preset is used in 3D. The generic preset is a simple wall with a no plate, the most basic form of wall. This is good for testing new features. The complex wall has three evenly spaced studs, a plywood layer, foam, and a plate. The complex no plate preset is the same as the complex wall but does not have a plate. The complex no foam preset uses the rectangular geometry shape to completely remove the foam square. This preset is best if you're trying to measure heat flux on the surface of the wall. The complex wall is meant to simulate a real wall because it includes all the elements that we would have in a real situation. Each preset will call a different set of thermal properties that correspond to the wall in question. I will explain thermal properties in greater detail in a future video. You can choose a preset at the very bottom of model specifications. Choosing a preset will override any choices inside of the specific model specifications area, but will not influence the general model specifications settings. Simply replace MSD.preset with one of the listed presets in apostrophes. Make sure to use the exact format listed with capitals included. If you want to add your own preset, you must use the following steps. First, copy one of the cases in the switch statement that I referenced earlier and place it at the very bottom. Second, rename the preset to any name of your choosing. Third, change the message at the bottom of the preset you copied to the name of the preset you intend to use. Fourth, edit the settings to your liking. Finally, add your preset to the list of presets below the model specification data so that future users know what to do. This should be all you need to know to use presets. In the next video, I will discuss how to edit the thermal properties file to create your own variable thermal conductivities.